Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about an important cycle which has come today, both in terms of astro and mathematical. So I'll explain you both of them and show you the significance of this particular day, which is 13 January. And let's see, because tomorrow we have expiry, so we might see a very good trending move into the market. So let's see how it goes. So first let me explain you. So what I'm drawing is I'm drawing an aspect between mm, sun, which is the king of all the planets, and moon. So whenever I draw these aspects, I'll just delete this. So whenever I draw these aspects, we tend to see a good trending move into the market. So I'm just drawing them. So it is drawn here. So this particular aspect between sun and moon, because sun is king of all the planets, generally we see some good trending moves whenever this aspect happens. See, this was a perfect bottom. Again, a kind of perfect bottom, a kind of sideways move. From here we got a good trending move. This was an exact top, and from there a good fall. Again, a kind of good bottom, and from there a good rally. And last time it happened here on 16th of October, and from there we almost consolidated and launched a big rally. This was a perfect bottom on 14th of November, and now we have this date today. So this is one important aspect which is happening today. And also, there is something called as angel number, which I've I've given a video before. So if I go here in the Nifty's chart, and like on this day, 23rd August 2019, we made a bottom at 10 637 in index. This was same in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this was a bottom. From there we had a good rally almost to the all-time high of 12,400. So if I add angel number, which is 509, 23rd August, and you add 509, you will come to 13 Jan 2021. Example which I can show you today for a stock is, let's take BPCL as an example. So this is BPCL chart. Again, if you can see here, it made a bottom on 23rd August. Yeah, this was the bottom 23rd August. You add 509, the same date, 13 January will come. And today the stock was up almost 4-5% in intraday only. Even I have, given on my site like this particular stock. So this is how time cycle works. So basically, what I'm looking at is, the first thing is this important time cycle date. I mean, based on astro and on the mathematical time cycle, so which gives a very much importance to this particular day. So what are the levels which I'm watching out for? So I've just noted down these levels so that's easy for everyone to look it out. For Nifty, if it goes below 14,3 495, then these are the levels which we can see on downside. On upside above 14,615, these are the levels which I'm watching on upside. Similarly for Bank Nifty 32,768, watch out for this level, very very important level. If this is broken, watch, I mean, these will be the potential targets on upside in the next two trading sessions, and shorts should be taken only below 32,412. So we have an astro cycle, and another important astro event which is happening is you know the aspect between Mars and Saturn, which is the second highest planet in the solar system. So I'll just select here Saturn, and the aspect is square 90 degree. We have a database for all this. See here, again it formed here. Last time it formed here, you see, you get some good trending moves whenever this happens. This was a top, and we saw a good correction of 8-10%. This was March month, but here you can see a good rally. So probably I'm expecting a good rally to be good rally or a good fall based on the levels which I've given. Why I keep the levels? Because we need to, as a trader, trading is about probabilities, not about certainty. It's not like that every time it will make a top and bottom. I need to be clear with the risk which I'm taking for any particular trade. You know, so once that thing is clear, it becomes easy. You trade in futures, options, whichever instrument which suits you, which suits your personality. But make sure that you have the levels handy. You have these time cycles just add an extra confidence in our trade, so we are not just taking any random day to trade. So we have seen the importance of this important time cycle. Let's see how market behaves. Tomorrow is expiry, so I'm expecting a good move in market in next two trading sessions. I wish you guys all the best, and follow this plan. follow the levels which I've given. All the levels which I've mentioned are spot levels, they are not future levels. So, plan your trade accordingly. I wish you guys all the best and wishing you a happy Makar Sankranti and Lohri. Thank you.